6Dxnc rotary grinder. It uses a Fanuc series OITD control. The machine comes standard with an inverter with a high and a low speed. The high speed for grinding, low speed you can adjust for dressing to help save the wear on your diamond. The machine also has a load meter with an adjustable potentiometer for crash protection. The software is conversational, so just going through a couple pages, this is how we would set up the dresser. Move the wheel to the position indicated, hit the dress position, it would come up from there, the graphic would change, and then ask us to come up and touch the table using the chuck as a datum position, and then it asks the clearance, and this is its safety position before it makes any moves. After we go through that page, we can grind up to 4 individual flat surfaces on the PRG in one program. This piece of the software shows you how easy it is to set up a surface. So you just basically bring your wheel as indicated on the graphic to the front position of your part, sweep it to the back position of your part, and then come down onto your part and establish your start position. After that, we hit done, and we can come in and determine our stock removal and what process we'd like to use to grind it, be it rough, medium, and fine, rough and fine, just rough, or just fine. From there, we have 2 different cycles that we can break down into. We can do a traverse mode while we're grinding, or a plunge, and we just indicate those out by the number 1 or number 2, and then also we can indicate a initial dress at this point. From here, we just go into the breakdowns of our stock removal. So this is the total stock removal breakdown. Page 2 is basically the incremental amount you'd like to take that stock off at. Page 3 pertains to your dressing, how quickly and how often you'd like to dress and how much you'd like to infeed. And then the last page just allows you to select constant RPM over the table or a constant peripheral speed, so it'll speed up as it comes to center line. From that point, we're ready to grind. Once we've set up our cycle and we've started our grind, we can basically go into offset grind for side number 2, and without touching off on side number 2, offset grind would pick up where the first side of the grind ended and pick up the grind to grind the second side there, so there's no reason to reset up the grind for the second position.